Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Let's check out the assets right away, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. Those that are having this indicator have been able to make lots of profit from here. It started a downtrend right from here, and of course it gave us the downtrend signal right from there, and of course a sell signal, and it started selling. It had a major pullback around there, and of course got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from here, and of course it's trying to go back on buy trend. But once it breaks out, we need it to break out above this resistance zone, and once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. But for now, it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It actually went on uptrend right from here, and it came to an end around there. So at the moment it is selling at the moment, even though it is close to the support zone. If it's unable to break out from there to go back on uptrend, but if it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. So for now it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Starting from this support zone, it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. So at the moment this is selling more at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. Crash 500 started an uptrend from here, which came to an end around there, and of course at the moment it is selling right now. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Volatility 75 started an uptrend right from this support zone, and you can see the yellow flag giving us an uptrend signal, and the blue arrows giving us an entry point for a buy signal. Okay, and of course it kept on buying till it got to the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. That is why the market is playing around there for a while, because it's trying to see if it's going to go back into a downtrend, and at the moment we expect it to sell more. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, and of course make sure you understand that very well, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.